Hello, this is Nick looking at Canopy growth again. Last time I looked at it, just call me the whisperer of Canopy growth. I should start trading it again. Anyway, I have made pretty good calls. Maybe I'm lucky, but it's pretty damn lucky. And the last video I did was right here, 727, I believe. You can go back and watch it. And I'll give you the gist of it. I basically said that the bulls are in control, even though it doesn't look like it at first. But I also said that, in fact, I drew this neckline, the green line, during the video. So I said they're battling over the neckline from higher lows. It's a matter of breaking out. I also said I wouldn't mind buying the swing, but I wouldn't buy it close to the green line. So if somebody watched the video and I said I would buy the stock, I would buy calls out in time, but my preference would have been to sell puts or put spreads, depends on the personal preference there. And all of these would have won money because this happened right after I did the video. So this was this is a 2-hour candle. So every candle is 2 hours. And within the day, we were up here. So call it lucky, call it just looking at the charts and not caring about the fundamentals. I have no idea what they said. I don't know why the rally came. All I knew is that the downside potential was a lot smaller than the upside potential, so it makes it for a good swing. So if somebody bought it up here, they made a mistake, just because of the simple reason that I put my line up here to fall. So I said, okay, we break out, but we're going to stall and then find footing to see if they can finish the job. Now there's a little problem, which is this guy right here. I think it reports on the 10th before the market opens, so double check that fact. Last time I looked, that was the case. And so they're part way into the giant gap. Not sure they're going to close the whole gap without good reason, and that was the point of my last video. They fell on earnings. They probably need earnings to close the gap if management gives them that reason. So what happens then if I have profits, I probably book them ahead of the earnings. As a trade, I don't know their fundamentals, so I'm not an investor in the concept. If I'm an investor in the concept, like I say it almost every time, don't watch the video, because what am I going to tell you that you don't already know? You clearly know more than me. I'm merely making comments on the chart itself. I appreciate the eyeballs, but really don't let my judgment sway you from your long or short of the stock. This is purely technical, and it just makes sense. And the idea of chasing the rally late is easy. So let me rephrase. You can't make money by making mistakes, and mistakes are avoidable if you just study a little bit of the chart. If you don't know a lot about charts, only a little bit can just stop you from making a mistake. You don't need to be an expert. And there are easy concepts there. So reach out. There's a link down below, probably in the video, to the chat room. That'll be a good step for you to check out. We do this all day, every day, in all tickers and all styles. This is a lot of fun for me, especially when I don't have money on the line, because I can speak my opinion and I'm not accountable to anybody, because I'm not saying buy or short. I'm saying I don't mind buying it long here. I don't like buying it long here. I could probably chase this. In fact, I'll put an alert here and I'll say close the gap, which is eyeball, what is that, 21 plus. So let's call it finish the job, 20.5 or 21 with a question mark. So it would be a trigger to set a new high. What was that candle here? Whatever happened here is interesting. So on the way down, logic says that they will try to hold the neckline, and they did the first time. Will they hold it again, or will they give it back? If I was actively trading, I would probably try to buy the dip around 1830, 1840, just because from a short-term perspective with a tight stop. Where would the stop be? If I'm wrong. How am I wrong? If the reason I bought it went away, which is this collection of bottoms right here. So a lower low would say, okay, you're wrong. The support is lower, probably closer to 1740. Which, by the way, is the point of control from a volume profile. If you don't know what that means, again, a simple concept, easy to teach, reach out. So it has support, a good solid base. It has an opportunity to break out. So all management needs to do is not fuck up big time right here. So don't know what they said here, They better not say it again here. So did I just cuss? I think I did. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is the story on this guy. I'm not going to go into any other pot stocks because this is probably the only... I probably just pissed off somebody. This is the one that I deem legitimate just because I don't know enough about the industry, and this is the high-profile one that has the benefit of the doubt from its perceivably better balance sheet than the rest. Nick signing out.